Hi friends, welcome to Circuit K. Today we have all-in-one desktop motherboard here with a faulty USB port. The USB ports are not working on this motherboard. So what I'm going to do, first of all, I have to show you the damaged components. So let's zoom in. So right here we have the damaged component. As you can see, this component is burnt. So we do have input of 5 volts on this component and output of 5 volts. So this component regulates the voltage flowing through to the USB port. So this component is burnt and you can see it's physical. It has a physical damage on it here. So what I'm going to do, I have to replace this chip, but I don't have the exact chip. For me not to complicate issue, there's another method I'm going to use to fix this. So stay tuned. Let's fix it together. So let me apply a little paste. All right, so the chip is out. So as you can see, this chip is burnt. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'll be using a flex wire. You can see. So I'll be using, I think, a single flex wire will do this job perfectly fine. Okay. So this will do this job perfectly fine. So I'll be using this flex wire. So please pay attention to this point to see how I will make the connection. So where you have this is pin number one, two. Let's say this is pin number one, two, three is connected together. So on the pin two and three, so I will bridge them together because they're on the same track already. So okay, then on the last three pins here, I'll bridge them together because they're on the same track. So this is the output, this way is the output, this way is the input. All right, so here's my flex wire. So I will solder it here. Okay, that's to here. So I'm trying my best not to cause a breach. So I think I need more paste on that spot. So I'll be applying. Okay, so all right, that's enough. All right, so that's fine. So as you can see, everything is fine. So I'm going to test this motherboard right away. So well, I will end this recording here. We'll continue the part two. Stay tuned, like and subscribe, follow for more.